If you recently updated to iOS 27 or you're planning to install it soon, this video is for you because today we're going to look at some of the best hidden iOS 27 features that Apple didn't spend much time talking about during its presentation. These aren't necessarily the biggest headline features, but they are the ones that can make your iPhone faster, more convenient, and much easier to use every single day. So stay until the end because chances are at least one of these features will completely change the way you use your iPhone. Let's get started. Hidden feature number 1, custom lock screen. Shortcuts. Most people know you can customize the lock screen, but many users still don't realize how flexible it has become instead of keeping the default. Flashlight and camera shortcuts, you can replace them with tools you actually use every day. How to do it? Press and hold your lock. Screen tap customize. Choose lock screen, then tap the shortcut icons at the bottom. From there, you can add shortcuts like calculator, translate voice, memos, notes, magnifier, many other supported actions. If you frequently use one of these tools, this small change can save you several taps every day. Hidden feature number 2, smarter. Screenshot actions. Screenshots are much more useful in iOS 27 instead of simply saving an image. Your iPhone can now recognize what's inside the screenshot. For example, if it detects a phone number, you can call it immediately. If it recognizes an address, you can open it directly in Maps. If there's text, you can instantly copy translator. Search it. This makes screenshots much more than simple pictures. They become interactive pieces of information. Hidden feature number 3, advanced battery insights. Apple continues improving battery management, and iOS 27 includes more detailed battery information than before. To find it, open settings. Go to battery, then battery health. Depending on your iPhone model, you may see additional details about charging habits, battery usage, and recommendations to help extend battery lifespan. If you keep your iPhone for several years, these insights can help you maintain better battery health over time. Hidden feature number 4, improved privacy controls. Privacy has always been one of Apple's biggest priorities, and iOS 27 gives users even more control over app permissions. Here's how to check them. Open settings, tap privacy and security, then review permissions for photos, camera, microphone, location, contacts, and Bluetooth. Many users are surprised to discover that some apps have permissions they no longer need. Taking just a few minutes to review these settings can improve your privacy, reduce unnecessary background activity, and even help improve battery life. Now let's be honest. Apple usually focuses on the biggest features during its keynote events, but some of the most useful improvements are hidden inside the Settings app, and many users never discover them. These are the kinds of features that don't look exciting at first, but once you start using them, they quickly become part of your daily routine. So to summarize some of the best hidden iOS 27 features include custom lock, screen shortcuts, smarter screenshot actions, advanced battery insights, and improved privacy controls. Because honestly, the best part of iOS 27 isn't just the new design or AI features, it's all the small improvements that make using your iPhone faster, smarter, and more enjoyable every single day.